Here is a numerical type question. Work through the numbers carefully. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. This is an aldol type condensation, crossed aldol-Tollens reaction, where acetone reacts with formaldehyde, HCHO, under basic conditions, KOH, to introduce hydroxymethyl, CH2O, groups. Moving on to the next step. Identify the starting material and product. Starting material, acetone, CH3, CH3, which has 6 alpha hydrogens, 3 on each methyl group. Product, the structure shown is OH2, 3C, C, is equal to O, C, CH2O, 3, where each of the 2 methyl groups of acetone has been fully substituted, all 3 H atoms on each methyl replaced by CH2O groups. Moving on to the next step. Count hydroxymethyl groups added. Left quaternary carbon, 3 CH2O groups, replacing 3 H's from 1 CH3. Right quaternary carbon, 3 CH2O groups, replacing 3 H's from other CH3. Total CH2O groups introduced is equal to 3 plus 3 equals 6. And for the final step, each HCHO molecule introduces one CH2O group via the Tollens-aldol reaction. CH3, CH3 plus HCHO OH2 CH2, CH3, one step. This process continues until all 6 alpha H atoms are replaced. Total moles of HCHO consumed is equal to 6, 1 for each alpha hydrogen replaced, since each CH2O group comes from one HCHO molecule. Yx is equal to 6 and not less. The product clearly shows both methyl groups fully converted to C, CH2O, 3 units, meaning all 6 alpha hydrogens have been replaced, requiring exactly 6 moles of HCHO. Therefore, the correct answer is 6. Therefore, the correct answer is 6.